So in the last class, we were discussing about the parts of CPU. We see some parts ALU, CU, and MU. We discussed the ALU and we were discussing the CU. Okay, so we were discussing the CU most of the part. CU just control the communication and the coordination among the devices. What is mean by the coordination? The word coordination means the things which can be done parallelly. Communication and coordination. For example, if you are listening or watching any movie, so the character you see on the screen, when they move their lips by saying any words, at the same time the sound will come from the speaker. Then it would be look good. But when the character of the movie or the picture say any word and after 1 second the sound will come, it will not look perfect. So who manages this thing? The control unit is managing this thing for the game, for the movies, for everything. For example, you print any document and it will take more than a 1 minute to print one single page. So who is managing this thing? The control unit. That control unit is managing your command and the coordination along with the device which is included in your order. When you give the order to anything, click, playing game, print, or playing songs, then control unit manage all the parts. Okay, control unit manage all the parts to make them on a one line so that order will be fulfilled. So, for example, communication between input and output devices with computer. For example, you play the movie. I again giving you the same example. You play the movie, so the sound of the movie is not accurate. It means someone is saying something, but you are hearing that sound after some time. So this is not look good. So control unit coordinate or communicate with both devices at the same time so that you will get the smooth output or the smooth sound or the smooth result. Okay, we discussed these examples in the yesterday's class. Okay, parallelly, someone asked, okay, there is a student who entered or login with the name of Dot. I don't know who he is. That Dot person asked me what is mean by parallelly. Parallelly means the things which we can run at the same time. Okay, let me show you what is mean by parallel. Okay, so this is a line, this is another line. Though all both these lines are parallel to each other. Okay, both these lines are parallel to each other. Okay, okay. Iyad asking what is I dot E. This one. Iyad is asking this one. Okay, okay. This one is used for given examples. The full form of IE is in essence with. Okay, we can say. Okay, Ziad. I dot E. Someone asked that what is I dot E? So I dot E means in essence with. If you want to add more things in the previous one, so you write the short form I dot E. Okay. So you write in essence with in the short form. Understand? Yad? Okay. Good morning, Amar. Okay. So, so let's move to the third part. The first part we see is the ALU. The second part we see is the CU. It's a control unit. Remember, I didn't tell the full form of ALU right now in this class, but in the previous class, in the previous yesterday's class, we already done the full form of ALU. I will ask a question of ALU after the MU. Okay. So revise the name of the ALU. Okay, we already done the ALU. Now we are moving to the third part. It's a MU. MU means MU means the memory unit. MU means the memory unit. Okay, MU means the memory unit. Okay, so memory unit stores data and instruction. So they stores data and instruction. So data and instruction, memory as a word shows, it saves something. As a word shows, which word? The word memory shows, it saves the, it saves something. So memory unit stores data and instruction. Okay, remember what is data? Your movie is data, your picture is data, your document is data. What is instruction? When you play the movie, so your instruction is play the movie. So movie, the data is playing with the help of instruction. Your game is data, your picture is data, your movie is data, your sound is data. When you give the instruction to computer to play that sound, to play that game, to open that browser, to open the Facebook, so you were giving the you were giving the instruction to the computer. So memory unit stores the data and all the orders which you gave, and then memory unit start processing that data, and after processing that data becomes the information and show on screen or speaker or printer. It depends what type of output we are expect. If we are expecting the printout, then this output will come out of printer. If we are expecting a sound, then this output will come from a speaker. If we are expecting a visual or a video, this output will come on a screen. So memory unit store all the data and all the orders which you gave it to. Okay. So on your instruction, instruction means order or command. Instruction means order or command. The order which you give, the memory unit start processing that data, and after processing that data become the information, and it is sent, and it is sent to the output unit. Okay. So Ziad, the question you were asking is basically a depth question. Okay, it's a good question, but the point is, if I explain that thing right now, then nobody will understand that thing. Okay, because the RAM and the hard disk both store data, but they are different. Okay, but if I explain the RAM and the hard disk here, so the memory unit will be left. So we will discuss those things in the later lessons. Right now, we were discussing the memory unit. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Zad. Now, memory unit stores data and instruction to process data, to process the data and convert that data into the information. So this is the task, this is the work of the memory unit. Memory unit stores a thing. Okay, for example, if I ask you a question, what does memory unit do? You will write memory unit store data and instruction. Okay. Or you can also tell this memory unit stores data and instruction to process data. Okay. So everybody understand this memory unit. Everybody understand this memory unit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I
Yes,
understand.
Yes, sir. I have
That's
a
That's
good.
question.
great. That's great.
yes, sir.
That's great. Okay. Oh, very good, Zad. Very good. That's great, Zad. Yes, you are right. I got your point of view. Yes, very good. You are saying the right thing. Okay. So Amar Rahman is saying, is this the control unit doing the calculation inside the computer? No, the calculations is always done by the ALU. Always done by the ALU. Okay. So ALU, A stands for something. I will ask this question. I will ask this question. So I will ask this question in the in the later slides. That what is the full form of ALU? Everybody see the full form of ALU. We already done it. So everybody understand this thing. Everybody understand the memory unit. Everybody understand it or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
I have a
sir.
question.
Yes,
I am
sir.
Adam, sir. I have a question.
Yes,
Okay,
Yes,
listen,
sir.
sir.
listen,
Sir,
listen. Okay,
Great.
listen. When I unmute all, I don't know who is talking. If you have question, you can put your question there in the chat, or you can tell or type, I have a question. So I understand that who is talking. Okay, because if I unmute all and you are saying I have question, Then I have to call all the 50 or 40 students name, then who is asking. Okay, so okay. So Amin Mazin is saying what is components? Okay, components is just a word. It's a general word. Component in simple word we can say parts. A computer has different parts. A computer has different components. A mobile has different parts. Yes, mobile has touch screen. Mobile has battery. Mobile has RAM. Mobile has ROM. Mobile has camera. So components means the parts. Okay. A water bottle has a two parts, a bottle and a cap. Okay. The computer has different components like mouse, keyboard, system unit. So components are just the part. Okay. So this is the answer for the Amin Mazen's question. Okay. Okay. Abdul Rahman is asking a question. Abdul Rahman is saying why the memory unit, the name of it memory. Okay. The name of the memory unit, why it is memory? Because it remembers the things. That's why the memory word memory is there. That's why the word memory is there, because memory remembers the things. Okay. Memory remembers the thing. That's why the word memory comes in the name of memory unit. Yes, Adam. Okay, you are welcome, Abdul
Sir,
Rahman. Imtiaz.
sir, is the control unit is the more important unit than the other?
Okay, for example, if I ask you one thing, okay, I'm giving you the answer, but let me tell you one thing. Okay, so for a teacher or a student, for a class, if we have to take a class in a school, what do we need? The teacher is important or the student is important? What do you, okay, what do you think, Adam?
I think the two.
The two, the both one?
Oh, I get your point. I
Ah,
guess
now, very good. That's
there
good.
is no anything
Yes,
important than the other.
yes, very good. Both are okay. Now I am giving another example. I am giving another example. For example, you have a computer, but you don't have electricity. So which is important? Electricity or computer?
Also the both.
Both. Both is necessary, because if you have computer, don't have electricity, it will not run. If you have electricity, don't have computer, how you will work? So both are necessary. It's same like the tire cars. Okay? Tires of
Yes,
cars.
if you have a thing but don't have
Yes.
the another, you will not
Yes.
able to work.
You are right. The tires of car. Okay, car has four tires. One tire is not important. Two tires are not important. Three tires are not important. All four tires are important, because if any tires stop working or they get punctured, the car will not run smoothly. Okay, so that's why CU, ALU, and MU all are important for the CPU. Okay. Okay, Jibrail. Yes. Okay. I understand. You send the channel. Okay. I mean, Mazin, we discussed this thing. Why we call it a full form of ALU. We discussed the full form of ALU. Okay. Okay. So, everybody understand this thing? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir, I
Yes,
understand.
Sir,
sir.
I understand.
That's that's so
Yes,
nice of
sir.
you. Very good. Very good. Very good. That's good. You guys ask a great questions. Very good. This class is asking very nice questions. That's great. Okay. So, so for example, okay, I am telling one thing again. If someone raise the hand and if you have any question, so you can also send the message in the chat that I have a question. Okay. So I am telling you this again because some students join the class late. So if you guys have any question, you can just send the small message. That's why I have a question. Or you just send the question in the chat. Okay, I will give the answer. No. Ghazir Mohammed asking, today we are going to write anything in the notebook? No, we don't write anything in the notebook. Okay. Ghazir, we don't write anything. Okay. So we see three parts: ALU, CU, and MU. So if you see, this picture is given in your book. Okay, this picture is given in your book. This picture contains three things. Okay, the first one is the ALU. The second one is the Control unit. The third one is the memory unit. Okay. Yes, Atim. Yes, Atim. We have both. Okay. So ALU, CU, and MU. See the sequence of input, how it works. So there's a block. Okay, let me tell you. This this block is a CPU. This block is a system unit. This block is a computer. So this block you see is a CPU, a chip, a microprocessor, a system unit. Okay. So it contains ALU, CU, and memory unit. And there is an input. It is outside the CPU. We give input. We give input through which device? We give input to through. Let me write. Let me write. We give input through keyboard. We give input through mouse. There are so many things we can give input. We are just saying the basic input devices. There are so many things which we can use to input. Okay, so we are using input. We are using keyboard and mouse as a input to enter our data or enter our order. Okay, then input devices send the signal to where? To CPU, and it's enter inside the CPU. Then there are three portions: ALU, CU, and memory unit. And for example, you click on the game. Okay, you click on the game, and your command is go from the input to the CPU, and after calculating all the space, RAM, and the data, your game is start running, and CPU send this data to on your output device. What is the output device on which you see the game? It's a monitor. On the monitor you will see the output, or if you click on the song, then you will get the output from the speaker, or if you print out something, you will get the output from the printer. So who is controlling the computer? That CPU is controlling it. Your input device just sending your data, inside the computer. Your input device just sending the data inside the computer. Computer process that data and send that data to the output unit. It's a monitor or the speaker or the printer. So in this way they work. So everybody understand this picture? Everybody understand this picture? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir, we
Yes,
have to
sir.
write this in the
No,
we have to write
no, no. We don't
in
have
the
to
book.
write. We don't have. You don't have to write anything. I am just explaining it. I am just explaining it. We will write later, not right now. Okay, we will write later, but right now you just have to understand that how it is working. Okay, so yes, I mean Mazin, what is your question? You were asking that why the ALU? What is the full form of ALU, or why the ALU called it? You are asking this one.
Yes.
Okay, I mean in the first class, in the previous class, we discussed ALU, and we discussed the full form, and also discussed what arithmetic do, what logic do, and what unit do. If you didn't took the class, you can kindly see the video lecture of that class. Okay, because if I am going to explain the
Okay.
complete ALU again, it will take much time to explain it again. Understand? I mean,
Okay.
I told this thing, I read your question, and I also told this thing. No, Hatem. No, you don't have to write this in the notebook. You don't have to write nothing. You have to not. You have to write nothing on the book or on the notebook. You just have to listen it. You just have to understand it. Okay, everyone. Yes, yes, Hatem. We have one thing which we will do. I am telling you, all of you. Wait for a second. Okay, let me clear the screen. So, my question is: everyone understand this picture?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Yes, sir. Sir, I write for you a question in the. Sir,
Sir,
Adam, let me see. Okay, what is this? Adam, what is your question? Okay, let me see. Yes, Adam.
my question is the mouse and keyboard is input device, and monitor, printer, and speaker output device. The control unit and the arithmetic logic unit and memory unit. They are what? They are what devices?
Okay, these are not the devices. Devices are used to give results or take input. Devices are used to give results and take input. Okay, so the CPU is
Yes.
just not a device, it's just a processing machine. CPU is a processing machine. Okay, ATM is an input and output device. You give the password and the card to the ATM, and it will give you the result on the screen and also give you the result in the form of a currency notes. Okay, so it's also do
Okay.
the processing, it's also do the take a input, also give the output. But specifically CPU is not an input or output. CPU do all the things. But in computer, CPU is just doing the processing. The devices we use to give instruction or enter data in the computer is input. The devices which give us the result or show us a result, these are the output.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
that's great.
So there is no any devices in the middle.
No, there is no any device in the middle in the grade 3. Okay, because
Yes, yes.
there are some more things related to it. But if I am going to start it, it will be more difficult for you if I am going to start explaining the CPU and the chips. Uh,
No need. I understand already.
okay, so it will be difficult, and we will be go out of the course or the subject. Okay, so for till now, the input and the output are there. In between, the CPU is a processing machine. So everyone, open okay, leave this picture. Everyone open the assignment, not the assignment. Everyone open the worksheet from the class era. There is a worksheet in the class era. Everyone open it, that worksheet. I am waiting that you guys open the worksheet, then we will start the worksheet. Everybody got the worksheet? Say yes or no.
yes, sir. Printing, okay?
The worksheet is available. Okay, yes, good, good. Albara Dori, good. Ghazir Mohammed. Okay, good. Amin, you printed, very good. Okay, Albara Dori, yes, you can do it if you want to do it. Okay, but we will do that worksheet in the next class also if some question is left. Okay, so what is the full form of CPU? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Yes, time. What is the full form of CPU? Time, are you there?
Yes,
What is the full form of CPU?
yes. The full form.
Yes. Yad Hamad said the right answer in the chat. Yes, time. I'm waiting.
CPU.
Okay. What does U stands for? Time.
Yes.
Time. Okay. In the CPU, what does U stands for?
CPU is used for the following.
Okay. Many students sending a right answers. Very good. Very good. So, it's Albara Dori, Ayad, Amin Mazen, Tafim, Amr Ayman, Adam, Saleh Al Sudais, and Mazen. Okay, all the students send the right answer. Mazen, you write the spelling. The first you write the wrong word for the first word. Okay, Ahmadullah Maiman. Okay, let's take a word. Jibrail, can you tell me the answer? What is the full form of CPU?
Full form of
CPU.
full form of CPU. Wait for I'm
What happened, Jibrail?
no mm, CPU.
Can you tell me what is the full form of U?
Central processing unit.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Amar Aman. Let's see. What does Amar Aman saying? Let's see. Okay, Amar. Amar Aman, what is the full form of CPU? Amar Aman, are you there? Fahad Dani. Fahad Dani, can you tell me the full form
Yes,
of
sir.
CPU?
Sir, it is central processing unit.
Very well done. That's great. Superb, superb. Jibrail and Fahad Dani give the right answer. Very well done. And some more students and the answer. Ahmadullah Maiman, Umar Muhammad, Muhannad. Okay. All these students send the right answers. Okay. So now the right answer is Central Processing Unit. Let me write the spelling. Okay. Let me write it. Okay. So the answer we got, it's a Central Processing Unit. So question number 2 is there. Dash is the brain of computer. CPU, mouse, or hard disk. This one is the easy one. Abdullah Mehman, Ayad Hamd, Muhammad Ahmad already sent the answer. Al Baradori. Okay, let me take Hatim. Yes, Hatim. What is the answer?
Which question?
Question number 2.
CPU.
Okay, okay. Saleh Al Sudes. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the answer you got?
The answer for question 2,
Yes.
CPU,
What is the full form of CPU, Saleh?
Central Processing Unit.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, Amin Mazen. What is the answer for question 2?
CPU.
CPU, that's great. Can you tell me the full form?
Central processing unit.
Can you tell me the spelling of processing?
Processing.
Very well done. Very well done. So, Amin Mazen also sent the answer in the chat. Umar Muhammad, Fadi Muhammad, Rajatawa, Kusai Hamd, Jibrail Amin, Hatim, Adam Mustafa. All these students sent the right answer in the chat also. Very good, guys. Okay. The third question, the computer cannot work without CPU or without hard disk. This is a tricky one. This is a tricky one. I made this question for a trick. Let's see who will answer. Okay, this is a tricky one. Okay. So Tafim, good. Give the right answer. Again in the chat, Hatim, Umar Muhammad, Jabrail, Al Baradori, Fahadani, Amin Mazen, Kusai Ham, Ziad, Rajatawa, Ziad. Very good. Mazen, very well done. I think this one is the difficult one, but you guys give the answer very well. Okay, Saleh also there is very good. I think this one is the difficult one, but you guys said the right answer very easily. Okay, Mohannad, can you give me the right answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
The computer cannot work without hard disk.
Okay, okay. Ziad, you also give the right answer in the chat. Rayman also give the right answer in the chat. Okay, let's see who else we have. Okay, Umar Basim. Yes, Umar Basim. What is the answer?
Yes, sir. A hard disk.
Okay. Okay. Fadi Halwani give the right answer. Adam Mustafa give the right answer. Okay. Adam Mustafa. Okay, Adam, can you tell me the answer?
Right, now write it in the chat. It is CPU.
Okay, yes, okay. Ziad. Ahmad Mabruk. No, Ahmad Mabruk, your answer is wrong. Ahmad Mustafa, Fadi Muhammad, Fadi Halwani, Amr Ayman, Ayad, Ziad. All these students are sending the right answer. Very good. Let me see. Ghassan. Ghassan, you are not saying anything. You are not raising the hand. Can you tell me the answer? Ghassan. Ghassan, are you there? Muhammad gave the right answer in the chat also. Okay. Mohammed Khalid Yusuf, you are not raising hand. Mohammed Khalid Yusuf, can you tell me the answer?
Yes.
What is the answer? Rajatava, can you give me the answer, Rajatava? Rajatava,
Yes, sir.
what is the answer for
Yes,
question?
sir.
What is the answer for question 3?
CPU.
Good. The CPU is the right answer. Why? Without hard disk, computer will start. Okay. I'm saying computer will start working. It will start. The working of computer is started without the hard disk. But if the CPU is not there, you cannot start the computer. So the right answer is the CPU. Okay. The CPU is the right answer. CPU is the right answer. We are done with the question 3. Okay. Right now the time of the period is finished. We will continue this worksheet in the next class from the question 3 and onwards. Muhammad Khalid Yusuf send the answer in the chat. Good. Ayad, Ayad Hamd, and Amr Ayman. So now, right now, the period is finished. There is one assignment for you available in the class light. Everybody, both of them are important, but the question is that computer cannot work without which thing? So the answer is CPU. Okay. So everybody open the assignment and do the assignment. The time of the period is finished. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. Have a nice day, everyone. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Okay,
Have
have
a
a
nice
nice day
day.
to you
Bye,
all.
sir. Have a
Nice
nice
day.
day.
The best.
Bye, everyone.